Good morning, everyone. Market's about to open in about a minute or so. We are kind of in the supply zone area, so it would be interesting to see what price wants to do at the market open. It could rally down like about 100 points or so. So I wouldn't be too mad if we start going to the downside a little bit. Also, pre-market, like overnight session has just been going off yesterday and today. Like today, it's already gone up over 250 points over in the overnight session. That's crazy. I feel like it never really happens, honestly. So market's about to open in 20 seconds here. So let's see what kind of happens. So after today, should be able to withdraw some more profits from my funded future. Withdraw the $1,000, which is good. We'd love to see that. So we are getting that a little bit of a drop that I was talking about earlier. I do expect us to kind of drop from here maybe. If we do keep on dropping, I do expect us to hit like this area, this region, around from 900 to like 920, 930. So we just hit a retracement area on the 233 for the longs. So we'll see what happens here. I don't know how confident I feel about taking a long in this area, to be honest. It wouldn't be horrible. It's like kind of retesting this area, this whole area that you can see that we had some resistance here, a little resistance here, and then some volume here. Now we're retesting that area, but we're kind of just pushing through as of right now. If we break this high at 98.6, if we break this high, then I'm no longer interested in looking for longs, as well as breaking this low. We need to push above this high at 982. Doesn't look like the price wants to push above that high, and we might break this low. Just keep on going down to like that 900 level. Yeah. If we can get a little bit of a retracement in this area, once this candle closes, we'll be able to see that retracement area right here. So let's see if we can get a nice little retracement area into here for a push to the downside. We get that touch. Let's see what kind of happens in here. The order flow of the 144 candle closed down here, and it's looking pretty good. As long as we don't break this retracement zone, still interested in some shorts here. Alright, we have a retracement now. Don't want to see us break this low yet. Let's have a little bounce up. Alright, now let's have that breakout to the downside. Just preparing, just in case we have that break to the downside. I just have my boxes drawn out already. Yeah, we get that confirmed break. Now let's just wait for that push back in. 144 hasn't closed yet. Alright, we push back in.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, whoa.
Target filled.
Whoa, that was crazy. Whoa. Oh, on one of my accounts, oh, that's unfortunate. On the My Funded Futures account, it didn't take profit. So it only took like $5 profit. I wonder what happened. I think it just happened way too quick. That was like all within a second, which was unfortunate. I might still try to enter another position just because that 144 candle did close to the downside. But the thing is that, oh, this might be nice here actually. I might enter. Gotta be patient. We're in another retracement area. But this 144 candle just close to the upside. The low that was touched was at 9:47 area. So there's still, I would say, potential room to the downside for sure. If we get a move to the downside here, some couple confirmed closes underneath, then we should be good to the downside, or for another short opportunity. I don't know though, on that 1 minute, price kind of looks like it wants to bounce. On the 55, oh, we do actually have an opportunity on the 55. I didn't even realize. This was the original area for the entry on the 55. Yeah, I could have taken a long entry there, but we'll see. I might take an entry here. Not too sure though. Nope. No entry from me. Unless this, we get like a tiny bit of a push higher. Nope. Alright, yeah, no entry from me. The 233 is about to close to the downside, so I think I will enter.
Order
Oops.
submitted.
I didn't mean to enter 2 times. Oh my god. Come on, break even. Oh no. That was an accidental double click for me. Please, just keep going down. Wow, big accidental double click for me. I might close here. Oh, can I get that? Is it gonna hit my break even? Please.
Order filled.
Nice. Okay, good. Now I'm just gonna enter one more time, maybe. No, I can't. I cannot believe I just double clicked that and I was able to price didn't hit my stop loss. I mean, anyways, right here I would have moved to break even. 33.26. Yeah, I would have moved my stop to break even for sure there. Wow. Can't believe that just happened. I can't believe I accidentally double clicked. That was almost really bad. Yeah, I still think we will have room to the downside though. So I might take another entry if I can see a good spot to enter. That 233 candle is just really nice. Yeah, I might take an entry here. I'm just waiting for something good to show up. Where's this 50%? I am tempted to just kind of enter. Especially if this isn't an orange. No, it's not. Okay, we're at that 50% area, so I could definitely take a shot. A short here for 5 points. But I'd rather wait to see like valid setup. The reason why I'm a little bit short biased right now is just because we had that play on the 55 bar, but it did not seem to play out well. Yeah. If this is a down close, I think I'm gonna enter.
Order submitted.
Stop above this high. Stopped out.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Okay. Probably shouldn't have entered then, but it's alright. I don't know, I still like this area for shorts. Yeah, I still like this area for shorts.
Order submitted.
Sev, I'm gonna have my stop up a little bit higher. And we might target like just lower spots. Wow, I almost got filled out there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna aim for this 50% level. The reason being, there's a point of control right there. Oh, there's another point of control at 20. I might have to close out. Yeah, I'm gonna go break.
Target filled.
Okay, nice. Target's filled. Okay. So I just need $20 more in profit for the My Funded Futures to be over that $100 profit mark. And it definitely would have been, but as I showed before, on the first trade I took, it didn't get a good fill. It like got a horrible fill, and then it just kind of exited when my per dia account, which is the main account I'm using to trade, when that account closed. So obviously the My Funded Futures account also closed at that time as well. Yo, and I exited at such a good time. Look at that. It's just like, look how good that is. The low right here is at 920. It's a good thing I checked real quick because I saw that there was a little bit of point of control area right there, and I moved my stop or my profit target up to there instead of having it at this 50% level. I mean, we're still in a valid retracement area as well. Like on the 233. Let's get rid of these lines. Damn, that's crazy. I literally just got stopped out by the tick. I probably should have moved my stop loss to above the range. Oh, whoa, what is this? Wonder what just happened there. Oh, I didn't even check if there was data being released yet, I don't think. Let me check that real quick. Wednesday, October 15th. No data being released. At least during the times that, we tend to do some worky. We are in the retracement area on multiple time frames, I would say. 233. Yeah, I think we're gonna be going a little short for a little bit longer. Yeah, and there is a zone right here. Oh, it's already been touched. That zone. You can see it's already been touched. That I did not see. Well, now it's touched that 50% area that I was talking about, that I was waiting for. It definitely did have a pretty big retracement back into the retracement area. and I probably wasn't expecting that, to be honest, but I think we should have a little bit of a bounce in this area. If we just look at the point of controls, you can see that there's just high volume in this area, this region. And the point of control kind of switched to 920 or 918 instead of 907. Yeah, you see prices just kind of consolidating in this area just because of that high volume node that is showing. Okay, so it seems like we're also in a retracement area on the 377R to the longs, which I could see happening. Yeah, we get our model set up here on the 89R. So if we switch to the 55, I need to wait for a retracement back into this zone. Yeah, I'm also probably just gonna go for a quick 5 points, to be honest. I don't really need anything too drastic. Yeah, as you see, we are bouncing from that 900 level. We already bounced about almost 70 points from that level. This area was the old area on the 55 that I wasn't quick enough to see. Probably would have taken that entry like somewhere around here. 920. Yeah, so we got to see what price wants to do, because we are also in the retracement area on the 233 for potential downside. But if we break above 286, or no, excuse me, 986, so another like 5 points from this high, then the short idea is gone on the 55. Yeah, it seems like there was some buyers right around here. The price is kind of holding up. Yeah, nothing interesting going on right now. Yeah, we also did break this up right above like the 86 level. So we just broke out of that retracement area zone I was talking about before. And if we get that short set up here, I'm not interested. $377 candle is probably going to close to the upside soon. Yeah, it just closed right now, so I could enter now, but stop loss would be pretty big. I'm gonna wait for the 144 candle to close before I enter, because it's a very bullish candle as of right now. Still hasn't closed yet, but it's still looking very bullish. I think if we get a break above this high, it'll be good to go long. Because right now it's a potential reversal, but it could be a fake out. Oh, I was looking at the 233. The 233 almost closing. The 144 actually just did close. Fairly, what do you call it? Fairly bullish. I might take an entry here soon. Oh, yeah, we broke above that high.
Order submitted.
The stop is gonna be below here. Wow, I was very close to have my stop loss or my profit target hit there. We're only going for 5 points. I do think it should hit relatively quick. There was this big sell order, so I might actually close my position. Let's see. But no, I feel like it should still hit. Yeah, it'll hit. It should hit. All I need is that 5 points real quick. I don't know. It's very close to touching. Yeah. Like, look how close it is. Yep, there it is. There it is.
Target filled.
There it is. Nice. All right, with that, we're definitely done. You know, that trade was definitely had a pretty high risk to it, but I felt like extremely comfortable entering the position. Also, my feel here was if I got in like not even like a point or tick earlier, I would have had my fill, like for my target profit. This candle high was at 520 and we entered at 15.75. So yeah, if we entered like 3 ticks sooner, if I was able to get filled 3 ticks sooner. But you can see here that there was like hardly any volume, so that means price just shot up. Also here, like look at that. Once this candle closed, price just kind of, or once price was moving, you can see that there's no like volume occurring in there. Like look at that. No, hardly any volume occurring there. And then I think that's probably when I entered, and I got a pretty bad fill. Yeah, and right where I entered, you can see that there's a pretty large sell order here. So I got a little nervous for a sec, but you know, I just follow the larger time frames, the bigger trends. Excuse me. Yeah, and also this is where around here, I'm gonna draw a line. Right here is where the 233 candle also closed, which is extremely bullish. Look at this. Look how bullish it is right there, that one. And you know, we were bouncing off a retracement area on the largest time frame I use, which is the 610, and we had that set up on the 89R, so I kind of felt comfortable once the 233 and the 144 candles closed fairly bullish. I felt pretty confident that price was going to go at least in like another 5-10 points, and you can see price definitely went at least another 10 points. It went actually like 15, about 20 points now from where I entered. So that's the thing, like, you know, I could definitely be holding for another 20 or so points, like I did earlier in the day today. But that's just because, you know, it depends on how the market is moving and what I'm kind of seeing. But typically I'm just like, I'm in and out. I don't really need to risk too much. Like once I make my money, I'm done for the day. I'm fine with that. So yeah, we're gonna be able to make another withdrawal request today. And exactly 1 month ago was the last red day that I've taken, which I do feel really good about. It's nice, very nice. But you know, it's only been like a month of me just having wins consistently. So it'll be kind of interesting to see what happens till the end of the year, like how my strat kind of plays out. Because a lot of times, you know, you have strategies, but they don't work all the time. But I would say if this works like 3 months in a row without like really having any losses, or like days where I have losses, it's a good strat for me for sure. Obviously it's not for everyone, but for me it'll be good. So I'm just gonna end the stream there, or not even the stream, what am I saying? It's a live, but for you guys it'll be a live recap. Yeah, so I'm just gonna end it there. Don't overtrade, just stick to your models and stay true to yourself. Peace.